this particular video. And if you have been following me along with this particular project called Key, you will understand that the long awaited KYC for this particular key has actually come into play now, which was to take place on 26th, which was yesterday. I don't know the time you are watching this particular video. So in this particular video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how you'll be able to do your KYC and be ready for the next KYC, because the KYC are going to be in batch. So everything you need to understand about this particular KYC, I'll be explaining in this particular video. That's why you need to watch it steadily till the very end, because I'll be sharing a lot of update about this particular key ecosystem and the number of years we'll be mining this Telegram group. And look at it, they say, look at this particular message that was written here. It says that is steady moving forward step by step according to the plan routes and focusing on the technical feed. For example, that chart update, blah blah blah. This is not what you need. You see, they say the current stage is a collection face ID. This is where we are currently now. The collection of face ID information in the KYC authentication phase. So your face ID information will be collected first, and then the KYC complete authentication service will be open in batches. Meaning this is not just the last KYC we'll be doing. This one is just the first phase. So the current stage is not the last step of KYC authentication. The current app has launched the chat. So like what they said now in their last statement here, that we're able to see here, that the last phase of KYC, that the current stage is not the last phase of this particular KYC authentication. So let me go to my key. I'm not actually using the app because I've tried downloading the app, but it's not working on my mobile smartphone, so I don't really know. So you tap on this particular icon here, you tap on it, then you tap on this particular place that actually says key authentication, then you tap on it. So now let's say we want to verify. Now let's verify our email by sending a notification, because everything is step by step. So let me quickly enter my password first. So I've done that. I've actually sent, let me send my verification now. They will actually send this verification to my email. So it says send successfully. You could see the countdown is already counting. So the email has notification code has actually come. Let me confirm it. I'm confirming it right now. You could see it said email verification confirm. So as you can see here, that the step, this is one for the email. I think we also have to do another, this is the next batch, and then this, then followed by this. So let's go on. So I've also tried downloading the app, but the app is not going. So I'll keep you people updated about. If not, the next thing is for me to be taken to the face verification. Maybe because I'm just doing my email verification, maybe that is why the one of face email verification is not showing. But if you have actually done your email verification before, after that, I think the face verification note should still be showing, then you'll be able to complete your face verification. So this is all I have for you about this particular key KYC ecosystem that is happening now. Make sure you do it. Even if you are not doing it, all your key that you have actually been mined will actually turn to point, because that was what they said in one of the previous posts in there. And if you looked at it, what we are actually mining is also for the cycle of 2 years. So if you want to join, I'll be dropping my referral link in the description of this particular video. You can still join. We are still early because this mining started around June of this particular month that we are into. And don't forget that you can also get BTC. Mainly you have 3 referrals. You'll be able to have people that will be mining BTC for you every 24 hours. So if this is all really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell menu.